Hey everybody, hope you don't mind that half of the makeup has slid off of my face by this point. Nails aren't done, and I've got like an allergy and cold thing going on. If you care, then I guess turn off the video. The PU mesh / medical style kind of wigs. Style of cap has been known to kind of run small, and so it's great if you like to blend. Like I've got the original version of it on now, and I have blended some of my hair right there because the cap, even though this is like a medium, it fits me a little bit behind my hairline, which works out because I do have bio hair to blend, right? And that's a lace front. It's wonderful. And I will show you next another version of the cap that I just got where the cap is going to be a little bit bigger. So note where you see this hitting me right now. Okay, so I want to show you what I've done with this cap myself that is maybe a little bit different than what you've seen, and it's also something that you could do on a variety of different types of caps to make them glueless or to make them fit to you if you have one that's like a little big. This is nothing new or earth-shattering or anything like that. It's just something that I don't know for whatever reason. I never did. I was scared to try it, I guess. Didn't think it would work, but it's awesome. It's a game changer, and I'm probably going to install these on like every single wig that I have moving forward. So let me show you in just a second. I will swap wigs so I can show you the fit of the new cap, and then I'll show you the what I did to this one to make it glueless, like legit glueless. Okay, just one second. You will see already what I did to that one on my own that like other people have done all the time, and like, you know, it's nothing new. It's just I did not feel comfortable doing it until recently for some reason. I also didn't like ride my bike without training wheels until I was like 10 or something really crazy like that. So it should come as no surprise that I waited so long in the wig game to like try this out. I'm sorry, my hair is driving me crazy now because I probably really should have trained this before I decided to try it on for you guys. On the spur of the moment, let me get a clippy, okay? I'm gonna get a clippy because it's gonna drive me crazy tonight. All right, my friends, so sorry. Let's clip this girl back here, shall we? Get up there. Okay. Oh, there. Okay. So I found this version of an elastic, like other people, for the most part, I've seen using an elastic band that they like sew the band to the cap itself so you can't take it off. And it just like goes all the way around. You have to measure and like do all that stuff. Interjecting on myself very quickly here. I realized after watching the video that it was really hard to see. So what I'm attempting to show you on the ear tabs is a little piece like this. And then the adjustable strap that is removable but is elastic is this piece right here, so you can see, and don't mind my terrible manicure, everything has been neglected, including my nails. There we go. Okay, so it just kind of connects, and then you can adjust it tighter or looser, and then of course there's the elastic. This is what you're going to see on the inside of my cap though, and of course the other side is what would be on the other ear tab. And I don't really go into any details on this video about the placement, except I just said on the ear tab. If anybody's curious on how I did it, please let me know. There are a ton of tutorials out there already on this concept, but if you want me to show you what I did, please just let me know. I'm happy to do so. I actually started taping this video for a different reason, and then I ended up editing everything out except for this part. So that's why it's a little weird and disjointed. Hang with me. See that? It's like a bra strap, like with hooks. And then this hooks right onto it. And then also this right here has hooks. You can buy these on Amazon now. Okay, at first I couldn't find them. And then Lindsay, my girl Lindsay, who actually inspired me to video this because I wanted to show her these hair. So Lindsay, thank you girl for this video and inspiring all of this. So I installed these, even though this type of wig doesn't even need it. Sometimes, you guys know I like to hair flip, and so my stance has remained the same. Even if I find like a grab and go type of hair that you can put on without, which I did have this on without any tape or anything, obviously. But I hair flip so much, if I'm gonna be like up close and personal, like a family thing, you know, people get in your face when they're your family because they can. Where I'm like concerned at all that there might be any sort of like very little lifting, because you know, once people find out you wear wigs, or if you tell them or whatever, then they're looking for it. Then I'll usually use like wig tape or whatever to make sure there's no lifting. But with this, it's a game changer. especially if you put it on. I think that like placement is 100% key. So if you put this on the ear tab or somewhere where it's attaching to the lace part, you know, the front that's gonna be pulling this taut on your forehead, then you will never have to use glue. So I love these. You can get these on Amazon. And then they're plug and play. So you really only need one. You would just need maybe the part that you put on, a couple more of those. So I love them. While we were talking about this cap, remember I showed you that this cap kind of fit me so that it's like behind, it was like right like at my ear, like right here, which as you can see, or maybe I hope you can see, this comes right up to my hairline. That's my hair. That's not wig. This is, I mean, it is the wig. It's not my hair that's up there. So see, when I pull it back, this is my hair now. But this wig cap is slightly bigger. So it actually runs about true to form, like the shadel style. Now here's another blonde, Lindsay, calling your attention, Lindsay. So this is another blonde in that same style. So let me show you, since I have it on, you can't see. Very similar again with that mesh. It's a little bit different of a mesh lining. It's a different liner, I should say. It is still beige. I mean, there are other ones that are like a dark brown, which I might get with like darker colors, but it really doesn't matter because it's on the inside of your head. And it still has that PU material, still has that awesome, impeccable lace front. But the ear tabs are different. They're like a lot bigger, and they still have that adjustable piece in there. The hair quality though is just as nice. I know it's really hard to tell on video, but it's really this, you know, it feels good. It looks good. The lace front is transparent lace. Can't even probably see it on my, I mean, I'm wearing a lace front right there. So anyway, so yeah. I wanted to just tell you where I was at with that, give you a sneak peek of what I have coming ahead, and I think that might be it. And I did blabber on a little bit towards the end here. My apologies. I just got excited putting on this new hair. So I love them. But I might need to like sell some of my current stock first. So I don't know. I'll have to look and see where we're at. It's been a long time since I have been able to focus on anything with the graduation and everything else going on that I have been juggling as, you know, full-time jobbing and momming and wifing and all that stuff. I know you guys can relate. So thank you for your patience, and thank you for your understanding. And I love you guys. I love you so much for loving me and just for being super cool. And I hear that there are others who get like all sorts of really terrible feedback and comments from some people. So I just appreciate that. I don't ever see anything like that. So either, you know, Jesus is shielding it from me by me not seeing things, or you guys who have shown interest in me just aren't you know, being negative when you don't like something. So whatever it may be, I love you guys, and I hope you have a great day, week, year, summer, fall, spring, winter, whatever it is when you see this. I just hope you're having a great time in life.